Hi Crash, what are you doing here? Let me try. Hello guys, how are you all? Hope you are doing good. If you are new to this channel, consider subscribing. I recommend you to watch this video till end. You can do this trick too. Take a plate and add some water to it. So you can take some pepper powder and sprinkle on the top of water. So apply some soap solution to your finger and keep your finger in right in here. Let's keep this aside. So what happened is, when Crash put his finger, nothing happened. When I kept my finger on the bowl, the pepper moved to the corners. So why? This is because of surface tension. Before we dive into know more about surface tension, let me ask you few questions. Why droplets of water wants to stay in spherical shape? And why some insects float on water? To know the answers, we need to begin the show, so let's get started. Surface tension is the property of the surface of a liquid that allows it to resist an external force due to the cohesive nature of its molecules. This is the definition that you will find in Google when you search what is the definition of surface tension. But let's come to our way. Water is made up of hydrogen and oxygen molecules. Every water molecule attracts another water molecule. This is the basic funda. So there will be a lot of attractive forces between the water molecule. We call it cohesive forces. The cohesive forces between molecules in a liquid are shared with all neighboring molecules. Those on the surface have no neighboring molecules above and thus exhibit stronger attractive forces upon their nearest neighbors on and below the surface. Surface tension could be defined as the property of the surface of a liquid that allows it to resist an external force due to the cohesive nature of water molecules. As the forces on the surface of the liquid are stronger, so any liquid tries to stay in spherical form. What about our scary water strider? Let's have a look at its feet in a micro level. So when we zoom in, we will find the water molecules formed a membrane. When we have a close look at the legs of a water strider, you can see that attraction between molecules at the surface are higher. So it lifts up the water strider and make that to float. These are just examples. There's a lot more to come. So stay tuned for my channel. So we will perform another experiment related to surface tension. Before that, I want to ask you a question. Can humans float on water like water striders? I will give you 10 seconds to choose the option. Go to the comment section below and comment your answer there, and your time starts now. We will do one more experiment with the same concept. Surface tension board. Take a piece of paper and fold it into a form of shape. It's not looking like a ship, but it works. Place the small ship in the water and apply some soap solution to your finger, and voila, you did it again. When I try with the other hand or other finger, which I didn't apply any soap, nothing happened. When I take the finger with soap applied on it, surface tension breaks and it works again. Using the small science trick, Dettol has an advertisement. I did like the experiment. Let's have a look at it.
करम, देखना साबुन से हाथ धो के जर्म्स का क्या होता है?
हाँ।
अपनी फिंगर लाओ और सोचो कि ये जर्म्स है। जर्म्स को कुछ हुआ?
नहीं।
अब अपना फिंगर सोप पे लगाओ।
वाह मम्मा, जर्म्स भाग गए।
बिल्कुल सही। जर्म से बचने के लिए किसी भी साबुन से हाथ धोइए कम से कम 20 सेकंड तक।
डेटॉल द्वारा जनहित में जारी।
I like that Dettol using the concept of science to make advertisements. So my dear explorers, wash your hands for 20 seconds, kill germs and stay healthy. Stay home, stay safe. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys had fun. Click the like button if you like it. Share your opinion in the comment box below. Bye bye.